Well, the year-long battle between Disney and Florida Governor Ron DeSantis is headed to a federal courtroom today.
Disney is arguing the governor violated the First Amendment rights for the corporation when the former CEO criticized Florida's parental rights in education law, which critics have dubbed the Don't Say Gay law. Xavier Walton is joining us live. Xavier, what do we expect in court today?
Well, you're going to get the latest chapter in the book of Disney versus DeSantis, ladies. It's slated for 9:30 Eastern. The judge could dismiss the case entirely, or this really could move forward and barrel into 2024, into the new year. Regardless, though, for the first time, both parties are going to be in the federal courtroom. Disney claiming Florida Governor Ron DeSantis violated its First Amendment rights after the company spoke out against what critics call, just like the ladies just said, the Don't Say Gay bill. Disney says the Florida legislature, led by Governor Ron DeSantis, retaliated by stripping the company of its special tax status and its governing body, but both of which have been in place for more than half a century. Meantime, on the DeSantis side, DeSantis' team filed a motion to actually have this whole thing dismissed back in September. His legal team says Disney hasn't adequately shown injury, so therefore it doesn't have standing to sue him and other state defendants.
I think the last thing I'll say is no single corporation should get to control its own city government. But to that point, no single politician should get to control a city government that oversees a single corporation either, especially someone as lawless and as petty as Governor Ron DeSantis, who already has a well-documented history of using his power to try to punish people who speak out against his policies.
Okay, so we're just talking about DeSantis. Here we go. DeSantis has repeatedly touted his ongoing feud with Disney on the campaign trail. Here's what he posted on X, writing, quote, "We have consistently fought and won the big fights on behalf of the people. When Disney went after our kids, I stood strong in defense of the rights of parents." So today, if the motion to dismiss is denied, the federal lawsuit, obviously, Adrienne, it moves forward. Not to mention the state level lawsuit that is very much so still active. And here we go again, the Disney DeSantis dilemma. Well, Adrienne, you've been here this whole time. It's ongoing.
Yeah. All right, Xavier. Thanks for that reporting. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.